What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. The trial version of Studio One has already expired. It's already been 30 days, and I've had a lot of fun working, learning, and comparing the features of Studio One with Cubase. So today, I have been given a couple of choices here, so I can either join PreSonus Sphere or purchase a license. Okay, and I'm not gonna do any of those. Today I'm going to try the Studio One Prime. Okay, let's see what Studio One Prime has to offer before I either subscribe to Sphere or cross-grade by purchasing the license. Okay, so I'm going to hit close. Okay, now it's giving me these options whether I want to activate with PreSonus Sphere, activate my purchase version of Studio One, try the full version for a time limited demo period. Okay, let's see if I can activate the demo version again. Oh, I can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and check on this Studio One Prime, the feature limited free version. So I'm gonna hit activate Studio One Prime. Okay, now I'm launching Studio One Prime. All my previous files are there. I don't know if I can open any of those files. Let me just check. Oh, okay. Mixing devices. So Studio One Prime doesn't even allow me to use any of the third-party plugins. Oh, okay. I thought I was able to do that. Presence. Okay. So the only VSCs that I have with Studio One Prime is this Presence. Okay, that sucks. Okay, you see that there's nothing playing. Okay, let's see what we can do if we have Studio One Prime. So I'm gonna go and close this file, and I'm gonna open a new file. Okay, so I have this blank page and not a lot of instrument for me to play around, unfortunately. Can't even load up my contact. Oh, that sucks, man. I can't do much with Studio One Prime. In this case, I have no choice but to activate the sphere. Okay, so let's just see what we have in Studio One Prime for now. See if I can add audio. Okay, audio, instrument, automation. There was 4 tracks before. I'm not sure what was another one. Audio, instrument, automation. What is the other track that I used to have? I don't remember. Never mind. Let's go and check this one. Okay, we have ruler, marker, arranger, signature, tempo. So if you notice, you don't have the video track here. Okay. Let me add an instrument track. See what we have. New instrument. Presence. Presence is the only instrument I can use. If I can't use any of my third-party plugins, then basically Studio One Prime is useless. I mean, I can't use Studio One Prime at all. I mean, there's no way I can make a beat or a decent beat with this Studio One Prime because I don't have any of my plugins here. I don't have my contact library. I don't have Waves plugins. It just didn't scan. Okay, all right, so we have relaunched the Studio One Prime, and I think there's no way for me to get Studio One Prime to scan my VST folders. Unfortunately, I guess it is not possible with Studio One Prime. So basically, I don't think I can work with Studio One Prime. However, if you are new to music production and you just want to know about how each of these things works, or maybe if you want to have a podcast, right? You want to record a podcast. If you want to record a voiceover, then I think this is a powerful DAW. Okay, so let us check if it's possible to record audio, and I'm sure we can record an audio. So let's go ahead and add a mono track. Input L. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna record, enable the track, and also turn on the monitor. Check. Okay, perfect. So now the it's monitoring my audio right now, and let's record something, right? So 1 2 3. Okay, not sure why it's not playing back the audio. 1 2 3. It is playing back now, sorry about that. So basically, I guess if you want to do a voiceover, you want to do a podcast, then you can use Studio One Prime. It's perfectly fine for that particular type of work. Okay, however, if you want to make beat, you cannot add any of your third-party plugins, and I don't think you can do much with Presence. However, let's try to make some beat with Studio One Prime. I'm gonna go to my file folder. So I'm gonna add some of my drum sounds. Ooh, that's too loud. Let's change it. Still loud. I'm gonna press P to set the locator and the / to turn on the loop. Okay, I'm gonna add the hi-hat first. Let's add this hi-hat. Okay, another percussion. So I'm gonna have to play with the loop. Okay, we have this loop here. Let's play with this one. Is it synced to the tempo? Let's play them. Nope. Let me bring this one now. Okay, let's make this longer. I think the only thing that I can do is to create a beat and use a sample to add melodies and stuff. That's not really productive now, is it? Okay, that's it for today, guys. This is just a simple video that I made today to show you guys what Studio One Prime has to offer, and I don't think I can do much with it. However, if you are just starting, you may try Studio One Prime, or if you're into those voiceover and podcast recording, you can try Studio One Prime as well. But for me, I don't think I can do anything with this. So I'm gonna have to subscribe to Sphere or get a license soon. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.